Namaste. In the last class, we have studied converting volume and capacity in liters and milliliters. 1 liter is how many milliliter? Yes, 1000 milliliter. Today, we are going to discuss about addition and subtraction of capacity. Shall I start today's topic? First question is add or subtract with conversion. First question is add or subtract with conversion. Already we studied this type of questions, isn't it? Okay. Question number A. 7 liter 350 milliliter plus 5 liter 475 milliliter. So first we convert this liter to milliliter. The liters to milliliters. Then here addition sign. So we add both the answers. Okay, first convert a liter to milliliter. Convert liter to milliliter is equal to the first term, that is 7 liter 350 milliliter is equal to 7 liter is equal to how many milliliter? 7000 milliliter. 7000 milliliter plus 350 milliliter. 350 milliliter. Here no change. Here the number is already in milliliter, so there is no change. Directly add is equal to 7000 plus 350 is equal to here 0537. 7350 milliliter. 7350 milliliter. Then next term, that is 5 liter 475 milliliter. 5 liter 475 milliliter is equal to 5 liter. How many milliliter? Yes, 5000 milliliter plus here 475 milliliter. That one is already in milliliter, so there is no change. 5000 milliliter plus 475 milliliter is equal to 5000 plus 475 is equal to 5745. 5475 milliliter. 5475 milliliter. Then next, here both the answers are in milliliter, isn't it? Both the answers are in milliliter. So here which side? Addition side. So add the milliliters. Add the milliliters. See, add the milliliters. First one, 7350 plus second answer 5475. Milliliter is common. Is equal to, this means the milliliter goes to the first number and the second number. Okay, so we write commonly in milliliter. Okay, then 7350 plus 5475. What is the answer? Yes, 5 plus 7, 12. 2 is here, 1 is balanced. 1 plus 3, 4. Then 4 plus 4, 8. Then 7 plus 5, again 12 is equal to 12,825 milliliter. That is the answer. Next, The answer is in milliliter. Next, we convert this milliliter to liter and milliliter. This milliliter to liter and milliliter. Convert milliliter to liter and milliliter. First, 12,825 milliliter is equal to, first we split this number on the basis of 1000. That means 12,825 milliliter. That means 12,000 milliliter plus 825 milliliter is equal to 12,000 milliliter is how many liter? 12 liter is equal to 12 liter 825 milliliter. No need of putting this plus. See, question number B. 20 liter 480 milliliter plus 5 liter 454 milliliter. First, convert a liter to milliliter. Okay, convert liter to milliliter. First term is, that is 20 liter 480 milliliter is equal to 20 liter, how many milliliter? 20,000 milliliter. 20,000 milliliter. 20 then 3 zeros. 20 then 3 zeros. 20,000 milliliter. Then 480 already in milliliter. So there is no change. Directly write plus 480 milliliter is equal to 20,000 plus 480. What is the answer? 08402. That is 20,480 milliliter. That is the first term answer. Then second term is 5 liter 454 milliliter is equal to 5 liter is how many milliliter? Yes, 5,000 milliliter. 5,000 milliliter plus 454 milliliter already in milliliter. So write directly write the number 454 milliliter is equal to 5,000 plus 454. What is the answer? Yes, 4, 5, 4, 5. 5,454 milliliter. Okay. Then next, here both the answers are in milliliter, isn't it? Both the answers are in milliliter. So here, which sign? Addition. So add the milliliters. Add the milliliters. See, 20,480 plus 5,454 milliliter common is equal to 20,480. 20,480 plus 5,454. What is the answer? Yes, 4, 8 plus 5, 13. 3 is here, 1 is balance. Then 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 0 plus 5, 5. 2. 25,934. 25,934 934 milliliter. Then next, here the answer is in milliliter. So we convert this milliliter to liter and milliliter. Convert milliliter to liter and milliliter. Convert milliliter to liter and milliliter. Then 25,934 milliliter is equal to, first we split this number on the basis of 1000. That is 25,000 plus 934. 25,000 milliliter plus 934 milliliter. Here 25,934 milliliter is equal to 25,000 milliliter plus 934 milliliter is equal to 25,000 milliliter. How many liter? Yes, 25 liter. 25 liter. Then 934 milliliter. See, 52 liter 980 milliliter minus, here minus, okay, then 47 liter 450 milliliter. First, here also convert this liter to milliliter. See, convert liter to milliliter. First term is 52 liter 980 milliliter is equal to 52 liter is how many milliliter? Yes, 52,000. That is 52 then 3 zeros. 1000 milliliter. Then 980 already in milliliter. So there is no change. Plus 980 milliliter is equal to 52,000 plus 980. What is the answer? 0, 8, 9, 2, 5. 52,980 milliliter. Okay. Then next term is 47 liter 450 milliliter is equal to 47 liter. How many milliliter? Yes, 47,000. 47,000 milliliter plus, then next 450 milliliter. 450 milliliter is equal to 47,000. 47,000 plus 450. What is the answer? 0, 5, 4, 7, 4. 47,450. 47,450 milliliter. Okay. Here both the answers are in milliliter. Then next, here listen carefully. Here subtraction sign minus. So subtract the milliliters. Subtract the milliliters. Then 52,980 minus 47,450 milliliter is equal to 52,980 minus 47,450. What is the answer? 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. Here, 2 minus 7. Is it possible to subtract? No. So we take 1 from left side. After taking 1, the left side becomes 4. Right side becomes 12. 12 minus 7. Yes, 5. Here 4 minus 4, 0. 5530 milliliter. Okay, done. Next, answer is in milliliter. Next, we convert this milliliter to liter and milliliter. Convert milliliter to liter and milliliter. So, 5530 milliliter is equal to, how to split this number? 5530 on the basis of 1000. So, 5000 milliliter plus 530 milliliter. 5000 milliliter, how many liter? Yes, 5 liter. 530 milliliter. Question number D, that is 75 liter 846 milliliter minus 25 liter 768 milliliter. First, here also first we convert this liter to milliliter. Convert liter to milliliter. So, 75 liter 846 milliliter is equal to 75 liter. How many milliliter? Yes, 75,000 milliliter plus 846 milliliter. Here already in milliliter, so there is no change. Right? Directly write 846 milliliter is equal to 75,000 plus 846 milliliter is equal to 64857. 75,846 milliliter. Okay, then next, first term over, then second term, that is 25 liter 768 milliliter is equal to 25 liter is how many milliliter? 25,000. 25, then 3 zeros. 25,000 milliliter plus 768 already in milliliter, so there is no change. 768 milliliter is equal to 25,000 plus 768. So, answer is 86752. 25,768 milliliter. Okay. Then, here both the answers are in milliliter. Next we subtract. Here subtraction. So, subtract the milliliters. First, 75,846 minus 25,768 milliliter is equal to 75,846 minus 25,768. Here, 6 minus 8, is it possible to subtract? No. So, we take 1 from left side. After taking 1, the left side becomes 3 and right side becomes 16. 16 minus 8? Yes, 8. 3 minus 6, is it possible? No. Again, we take 1 from left side. After taking 1, the left side becomes 7. Right side becomes 13. 13 minus 6. Yes, 7. Then 7 minus 7, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. That is 50,078. 50,078 milliliter. So, here the answer is in milliliter. Next, we convert this milliliter to liter and milliliter. Convert milliliter to liter and milliliter. See, 50,078 milliliter is equal to 50,000 plus 50,000 milliliter plus 78 milliliter. 50,078 we split on the basis of 1000, that is 50,000 milliliter plus 78 milliliter. 50,000 milliliter, how many liter? Yes, 50 liter, then 78 milliliter. That is the problem. Second question. The weight of parcel X is 39 kilogram. Then it is 12 kilogram heavier than parcel Y. Parcel Z is 8 kilogram lighter than parcel Y. How much does parcel Z weigh? See, the weight of parcel X is 39 kilogram. Weight of parcel X. Weight of parcel X is how many kilogram? 39 kilogram. Then it is 12 kilogram heavier than parcel Y. This 39 is 12 kilogram heavier than parcel Y. Comparing to parcel Y, the parcel X is 12 kilogram heavier. Okay. So, weight of parcel Y is 39 minus 12. This is 12 kilogram more. So, 39 minus 12. Then, next. Parcel Z is 8 kilogram lighter than parcel Y. We subtract lighter than parcel Y. We subtract 8 kilogram from the weight of parcel Y. Okay, the last one, how much does parcel Z weigh? What is the weight of parcel Z? That is the question. Okay, how to write the steps? Yes, weight of parcel X is equal to answer weight of parcel X is equal to 39 kilogram. Then next one, weight of parcel Y is equal to it is 12 kilogram heavier than parcel Y. It is 12 kilogram heavier. The X is 12 kilogram heavier than parcel Y. Comparing to this Y, X is 12 kilogram heavier. So, 39 minus 12 is equal to 39 minus 12. 9 minus 2, 7, 3 minus 1, 2. 27 kg. So, weight of parcel Y is equal to 27 kg. Then, next, parcel Z is 8 kilogram lighter than parcel Y. Comparing to this parcel Y, 8 kilogram lighter, less. Okay, so weight of parcel X is equal to 8 kilogram lighter than parcel Y. Parcel Y is 27 kilogram. 8 kilogram lighter. 8 kg lighter. That is minus 8. 27 minus 8. What is answer? 7 minus 8. Is it possible to subtract? No. Next we take 1 from left side. After taking 1, the left side becomes 1. Right side becomes 17. 17 minus 8? Yes. 9. Here 1 is equal to 19 kg. Weight of parcel Z is 19 kg. Weight of parcel Z is 19 kg. Third question. Container A has 700 milliliter of water. Then container B has 600 milliliter of water. How much water must Ishan pour from container A into container B so that both the containers have an equal amount of water? See, container A has 700 milliliter of water. See, amount of water in container A, that is 700 milliliter. The amount of water in container B, that is 600 milliliter. Then the question is, how much water must Ishan pour from container A into container B so that both the containers have an equal amount of water? Here, first one has 700 milliliter and second one has 600 milliliters. If we want to fill, both the containers have same amount of water. How many milliliter water pour from A into B? Here 700, here 600. Here 10 milliliter more water in container A. 10 milliliter water is more in container A. So we share that 100 milliliter 100 milliliter water is more in container A. So that 100 milliliter share into both the containers. That means here 600 milliliter, here 700 milliliter. From the container A, after taking 100 milliliter, both the containers have 600 milliliters of water. First I took a 100 milliliter water from container A. That amount of water equally shared into both the containers. Equally shared means 50-50. So, after sharing, both the containers have 650 milliliters and here also 650 milliliter. Okay. So, that time both the containers have an equal amount of water. Okay. See how to write the steps. First, amount of water in container A. Answer, amount of water in container A is equal to 700 milliliter. Then amount of water in container B is equal to 600 milliliter. 100 milliliter water is more in container A. So, Ishan pour 50 milliliter water from container A into container B so that both the containers have an equal amount of water. Okay, see, 100 milliliter water is more in container A. So, Ishan pour 50 milliliter water from container A into container B, so that both the containers have equal amount of water, that is 650 milliliter. Both the containers have 650 milliliters of water. Today we have learned addition and subtraction of capacity. I think all of you understood today's topic. Now the time to wind up. Namaste.